Sir, hindi masyado nakikita sa
Hello! This is my Lego castle, and at the back of it is my dog, Buster. And here is my Lego castle. Excuse me, my doggy. He's real. He's not a stuffed toy. And he just. This is the Lego castle. Are you playing with somebody? No. Okay. Just never mind that. Never mind. Okay, so here's a toy review about it. Okay, this is not included in this, so I'm just gonna try a review about this thing. So here are the characters. There, I think princesses. I think the three are princesses, but I think this is the queen. This one. And her space amount is 6 dots. Yeah, I haven't put the sticker for her crown yet, so that kind of looks weird first. This one, yeah, you can change their dresses actually. See, I guess. Yeah, yeah, it's just paper over them. You just pretend they're on dresses. I have lots of dresses. There are 3 princesses, 1 queen. We don't have crowns yet, actually. So here are the 3 princesses. Okay, I don't know how to do this camera. Okay. And there's this horse. Buster, get out of the camera, please! Get out of the camera! Then here is the horse. Has removable saddle. And it's weird when you take the saddle off. And then you put the saddle back again. Eh, eh, eh. Okay, I just can't put the saddle back on. Okay, there. Put the saddle back on. Woo! Woo! There. Then we can ride on it. So clean. And then you're just gonna build this little castle. I built it. I got frustrated. There. It's actually pretty tall. It's a big box. Yep. Okay. And for subjects or something, I had like another pack of a different thing. They're not actually real Lego, all of them, but these two are from different packs. These two. So I just made this one as a guard, goggles on, whee, with the helmet. Actually, she's a plane driver, and her is the Royal Horse Rider. I just made it up. And this is the set of the other two. This one this is the set of other two, as you can see. I know it's pretty small. I love Lego. Comment your favorite character. Comment your favorite character. This is this is guard, horse, Royal Horse Rider, Princess Ashley, the Queen, Princess Diana, and Princess. Let's make up their names. And Princess Alex. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna give you a tour of the castle. And here's the door. I think you can't see it because it's like invisible. balcony. This is supposed to be the clock. I haven't made this before yet. And this is supposed to be water girl, but I haven't fixed this. This is like the fake version of Lego minifigures. Buster, come here. Yeah.
Pero makita yung halaman.
No, okay lang yan.
Hmm.
Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for that.
Nakikita ako. Nakikita.
Ah. Okay. So there we are. Not from the set, but I just added it. I know their shoes are different because it's not real Lego. So Alex! Princess Alex, Princess Ashley, the Queen,
Daki.
and ano ba?
Sorry.
And Diana, Princess Diana. Okay. And this is Horsey. Ding, 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 ding. Ah! Okay, just never mind what they just did. Okay, so this is the tour. Here's the back. I built it myself. And it has spare parts. And the whole thing is 472 pieces. And it's a pretty big box. It came from Amazon. I became really frustrated and I was like, here already. And there, that's my series.
Ang ganda naman.
Okay, that was just a fail. I'm sorry if you can. Okay, she just really can't stand. Only the queen, because her dress, she has no legs. She just has no legs. See? Okay, so that's the cat. So, if you know Lego minifigures, they don't have their own stands. I just love collecting Legos. So this is my collection so far. And I got to admit, I love MLP. If you guys know that, then whatever. She just stands there. Okay, now she's just okay. So bye bye. I guess. For me, it's hard to know, but I don't know for you Lego fans. So bye bye.